Hello, today I would like to talk about the most popular programming language, that is Python. For clear our concept on Python, I would like to explain those three questions because we will learn Python from scratch. The first question, what is Python? What can Python do and why Python? Um, Really, this tutorial is completely for beginners and also for those who doesn't have any idea about programming or not from computer science background. Before we go deep, we need to know some basic things. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. And it is an interrupted, high-level and general-purpose programming language. So we easily know from here Python is a programming language like that Java, C++, C Sharp, SQL, JavaScript, or many more. Python is one of those. What can Python do? Or what you can do with Python? Why we learn Python? I wrote some of those, some of these important things that can clear us. Automate the boring stuff, create a calculator, mine Twitter data, build a microblog with Flask, build a blockchain, play pie games, choose your own adventure, say hello world to machine learning, get challenges, and many more. So, the third question, why Python? Python is easy to use, powerful, and versatile. Make it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Python's readability makes it a great fast programming language. So, till now, maybe we are all clear about that. What is Python and why we learn Python? So, today, my first tutorial, and I would like to just talk some basic concepts that is very important to know. At the beginning, we need to know some basic concept that is very important before starting program. Python variables, Python data types, numbers, booleans, lists, arrays, tuples, and sets. What is variable? In computer programming, a variable or scalar is a storage location identified by a memory address paired with an associated symbolic name which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. So here I will show how can we know about a variable. Maybe I just wrote a equal to 5, b equal to 7 and c equal to a plus b. If I print c, so it shows us 12. Here a and b, those are variables, and these numbers are, it's really a value or something like that. We can store the value in a variable. We can make addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all with our variables. Look like that. If I wrote here minus, it shows us minus 2. If we multiply those numbers, it shows us the result like that. So we know till now what is variables. It's a integer type or number type. If we write maybe f equal to John, g equal to Sarah, and h equal to f plus g. Print age. What is the result? John and Sarah. It's really awesome. We can, in computer programming, we can also addition the names. It's quite funny, but it's nice. We can do here what shows us. It's error because the number can only multiply, but the name not. I just want to show here two types of the data. One is string type. Here is the string type and integer type. We will know about later what is the type of different values, or the numbers is always integer type and string might be or should be a word or a sentence with double quotation. So here f and g is variables, here a, b also variables. We know about the variables primarily. And after that we will jump to data types. What is really data types or built-in data types? In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default. In these categories, what type of data types? Here, text type is strings. I show here John and Sarah, those are string type. And numeric types, integer, float, complex. Integer we also see here, look like that 5, 7 is the integer type. And float, what is float? I just want to show here. Maybe we can write q equal to 5.67. Here, print type q. What shows us? Float. When we write or when we see any numbers with this point, it is float type. And here, if we see maybe print type, type C, what shows us? It's integer type. So we can write a simple program, print type, and after that print these things here. So it shows us what type of data is here. It's integer type, float type, or another type. Maybe here we can also see simply type age. Maybe we can know what type of data it is. It's a string type because string is always with double quotation and it might be word, sentence or something like that. So now maybe till now all are clear about that. Those easy things: string type, integer type and float type. We can also write maybe y equal to I am a girl. What type of data see here, print type, any guess? Sure, it's string type because a sentence might be also a string type. So it's pretty simple and it's also very nice to know about those things. And after that, here mapping type is dictionary or like that, set type is set, Trojan set, Boolean type bool, binary types bytes, byte array, memory view. So maybe for beginners it really not important to know about all of these data types, but most important things that we have to know: string, integer, float, complex might be also okay, list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, boolean. Boolean is very important things. What is boolean? We will see here. Boolean represent one of two values, true or false. Look like that. What is Boolean? I can write print 5 equal to 5. What can we say from this program, this silly program? We all know about 5 equal to 5. What mean? It's true. 5 equal to 5 is true. So it shows us the true. One of those true or false, either true or false. If I wrote here 6, is it true? No. So it shows us it's false. So it's the Boolean. But if I write here 5, it's false because 5 is not greater than 6. It's lower than 6. If I wrote here this 6 is greater than 5, it's true. So Boolean always shows us one of those values. Is it true or is it false? I think it's also crystal clear for all of us what is Boolean.